Last episode, you split, applied, and combined one table with GroupBy, but your data almost never lives in one table. Orders here, customers there. To learn from it, you have to line tables up by a shared key. That's a join. Pick the wrong kind and rows quietly vanish or quietly multiply. Let's make the choice deliberate. Picture two tables, orders with a cust column, customers with a cust column and a region. The shared cust is the key. A join walks one table and asks for each row, is this key over there? Inner join keeps only matches. Left join keeps every order, filling blanks where no customer was found. Same data, two row counts. Inner gives you only orders whose customer exists. Fewer rows, no nulls. Left gives you every order. Same row count as the orders table. But a missing customer leaves nan in the region. Neither is right or wrong. One protects against dropped rows, the other protects against junk keys. Now the merged log is long, one row per order, region repeated. Hard to scan. Pivot table reshapes it. Region down the side, status across the top. The count of orders in each cell. Same orders, no new arithmetic, just a wide grid your eye can read in one pass. And melt is the inverse. It takes that wide grid and unrolls it back to long, region, status, count, one row each, wide for humans, long for machines. Knowing both directions means you stop fighting the shape and just ask for the one you need. Here's the program. Seeded with default RNG 7, we build two frames by hand, an orders table with a cust key and a status, and a tiny customers table mapping cust to a region. No files, no downloads. First the join, orders, merge customers on cust, how inner, keeps only orders whose customer exists in the lookup. Then how left keeps every order, leaving nan in region where the key didn't match. We capture both row counts. Now reshape. On the left merged log we call pivot table index over region, columns and status and values OID, agfuncs count, fill value 0. That counts orders per region by status cell. The long log becomes a void matrix. Run it. The terminal prints the inner and left row counts, then the pivot table grid, then a melt round trip check confirming the wide grid unrolls, back to the same totals. Read it. Inner kept fewer rows than left. That gap is exactly the orders pointing at a customer we don't have. The pivot's grand total equals the left merge row count minus the unmatched ones. Every kept order lands in exactly one cell. The shape of your data is a choice, not a fact. Joins align by key, pivot and melt swap, long for wide, and the totals never lie if you check them. Next episode, what to do about those nans the left join left behind, missing data and feature engineering.